Kingdom like eerste. You see? Dan de twee derde dingen ko in a kingdom, they keep change. Like baby do kong. Ada wala de masay plan me money manja so hey. Pa de palo na like baby do ko in a kingdom. O sex make them a come paka. Tato ko be.
Joel chapter 2 verse 4. The appearance of them, it says the appearance of horses, and as horsemen, so shall they run.
You see, this never do letter like that A, na asi. Say they make attack horse. Asi represent power. Is it one asi lot? Im look at them about them look carry them look potasanat na wagi. Horse power. Well, second that na awagi that to inoma hori if a horse power. I race. And umep the modern wagi sa may make Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, na horsepower de wagi that abi. Well, second talk, asnelite petok at sa power. So, kung garo make inabugog Joel Jaso, amoro iwag ka, Joel ka din, amasi din, the missile talk, like horse, like asi. Isap to, the asal no to, hey tempo, tapos sa the missile po, ng power, a first cancel thing, asi din like asi, maano letter like asi. Not the missile, go ahead.
Verse 5, like the noise of chariots.
Like the noise of chariot. Talk na bugir. Is that better? Go ahead.
On the tops of mountains shall they leap. And like the noise of a flame of fire that devoured the stubble, as a strong people set in battle array.
Set in battle array. Dus na infor in the sun in the corner o in the ray. Correct. Army play corner kana army Engelanda, army Frankrijk, army China, Russia. Pero mo set up them the nuclear missile up. Nalik pa askripin, nalik the soldier go in battle. Tapos sa the nuclear missile army. Prap. Na million boy.
Verse 6, before their face the people shall be much pain.
Yeah, all dobrong.
All faces shall gather blackness.
You see, all faces shall gather blackness, but under the tape bronto. Fire kong, je kon plakken na smoke on je see, for your smelter. Go ahead.
Verse 7, they shall run like mighty men.
They shall run like mighty men. Te do fadon kontok, na lek tema elong. Isabi to, na persus do fadon, brip and te one nuclear bomb on plop top. A radiation thing, I push a winty. I pim, I pick it, I push a winty. See? Yeah, the hina na parkep top. Go ahead.
Now they shall climb the wall like men of war.
They shall climb the wall like men of war. You see? Yeah, to. Dahil kung nalikto ang matindi may mur. Tapos susunod, boom! Ay, wala nga doon. Ibalik ka tikrem ang mur, bayadoro, top po ang mur. Dahil jumpo sa kakwaguron to, yato na so au gwalok to, vroom like tayo krem ang mur, tadoro pe ang dorog ba na au dress, temo fo kuno, pagkuna, dapin mo. Boom! Boom! Shall not miss. Read.
And they shall march everyone on his ways, and they shall not break their ranks.
See, met andere woorden nga asnelay nga power sa ekontok, ano fermenter. Omoro ay gwalok tu, omoro a power de nga omoro ay kwagron nga omoro power ay kong. They shall not break their ay nga par. Sabi to, boy, isa ita kamera de raket de may pinabawi so yung tingnan na upang matrasan ita. You see, boy.
The same, neither shall one trust another. They shall walk everyone in his bed, and when they fall upon the sword, they shall not be wounded. And they shall run to and fro in the city. They shall run upon the wall. They shall climb up upon the houses. They shall enter in at the windows like a thief.
Ya to resta awinte kong imluku tede may sor de sani. Tede may so imluku de fidu tede may sor de nuclear on plot. Ta bomb on plot. Isita na ala roid ala ko baw sa de stand asane white. Ala sa de smelter. Ji
Terminator kuya siya. Terminator.
Ya to pas na po na gas, leta pe pas na po ay smelter. So powerful and nuclear weapon din. Apa ano dore te ya biggest smelter pa. Ah, hito pe nga drug cafe. Daarom ik als schrijf het dat the day of the Lord toch shall burn as an oven. Is je offer jou een oven. Ta oven die pot was aan een oven. Die op een oven toch. Het zijn nakkie toch. Op een slap gewoon nee. Je pikt vira hitte. Zie nou een voorbeeld amoro je want taki. De adira te doen.
Verse 10. The earth shall quake before them, the heavens shall tremble, the sun and the moon shall be dark, and the stars shall
Want the sun and the moon shall be dark. Met andere woorden, si aso na nga mo. Asa so blaka. So blaka smoko yoshi. Daarom ik als schrijf a day of darkness, day clouds and of gloominess. Na pung dit sa tekte wa ko se bro bigite blaka smoko. So yoshi.
and the stars shall withdraw their shining.
She no one no one stare she. Ala sanso yoshi na smoko yoshi like wall. See? Good.
And the Lord shall utter his voice before his army, for his camp is very great, for he is strong that executed his word, for the day of the Lord is great and very terrible.
The day of the Lord is great. Now a dangerous day and very terrible. Snap sa na terrible to? Verschrikkelijk.
And who can abide it?
Who can abide it? What?
The book of Psalms, chapter 144, verse 5. Bow thy heavens, O Yahweh, and come down, touch the mountains, and they shall smoke. Cast forth lightning, and scatter them. Shoot out thine arrows, and destroy them.
And destroy them. And dat na at the wet man, a kingdom for them of fall, door a nuclear weapon. See? Nangala de transition. Amoro iwang ocha din kwa grong, de malipil langa, de malip shuti langa. Unu pina langa. Asari no de ningre de buskonde langa de ige pina. See? Mana asidis piki seyo tete. Ade wasay suka amoro iwang erlat nangare fado. We hope that amoro iwang safe kuno. De wana to safe, elect ping. See?
The book of Psalms, chapter 149 and 1. Praise ye Yahweh, sing unto the Lord, Yahweh a new song. And a new song represent a true this. Sabi ito? Mana susunod yung 144 version o sing a true. Follow? And the song as if we're a new song, a song represent a true. Sabi ito? Ano song sa the people listening in the kirki yang ari praise ang masra upo ni
Ana song that. Ana sana ta sok bullshit.
They are this kind of song is under the atu.
And kung sa sing a same song, that na a great bells to GMS. Yang tetra Israel ito grupo. Naman sing a same song sa uno esing. Naman natin motaduro. Naman natin motaduro pa RFID microchip ta kana mark of the beast. Trawa effect the Hayden can save. With man can save. Sabi to, trawa kids tag the Nino palangare. So mga isap tag kino Israelite day save. Sang hello no? Isu da so tag une sing a same sing. Natotag de mano de tapaduro, de may fadong, de may last duro. Sabi to de may missing. De may chapratiko ina true. But the one sa obribi na one true, amoro iwa po ta spirit na yutapo. You stuck in na tis na true.
100%.
One po sila som beburu ya. Kaki, nung nga Israel tapo, agroup set this no na disi, ating program sa tapo. Pag ko sabi ko na de so, ang politika pa ka GMS na lang ko. No, na eja. Masumi at. Sabi ko sita, oh, the self-studied day in the Israelite grupo, amoro iwa abo ako kuso. Ay, in the Israelite grupo, nalagpa in the transition. Top, amoro iwa abo ako kuso in the nation, and that na anisyo for Israel. Amoro iwa be abo ako kuso, di amek ala follow, and that be the Adam. Amoro iwa be abo ako kuso, kaya na Abel, and that be the Abel. Amoro iwan be abuan ko kusa Ismael na nga Isaac and that be the Isaac. Jacob and Esau, amano kisagi Esau, amano kisagi David ma. Ama kisagi Jacob and Esau fu Israel. So ook tot de day om Israelito groepen en amoro iwang a spirit pe rokotap ako kusa po in GMS. The Lord is not dealing with two other false Israelite groups. Amoro iwan e dilangan wa false Israelito grupo.
Eles fazem uma Deus, tudo isso.
Ja, de false one de tu ja. Zij verleiden volk. Ik tegen de walosan. Si maar de wansa obribi in atru disi. Je obribi je steng na dis na atru. Dus daarom heb ik geschreven ook toe. If it were possible, they shall deceive the very elect. If I bet them mogelijk. Na ala de pastor na ala de false Israelito grupo, de mabo verlei ako kuso ku amoro hiwa. En we ku upfeitang na uno na ako kuso. We hope tak u save, tak u de chosen. Isabito, uno ano amoy sa ninagron tapo niya. Une up hope in no of the Romal Jaso. Ku up hope in a kingdom. Kan?
Jeremiah chapter
Question?
Jeremiah chapter 3 and 15. And I will give you pastors according to my heart.
Si amoro iwa takaw gi anisyo po Israel, pastors na to tak teachers, leaders stop, focus a will, focus a wani, according to his will. And focus kolo usabit batak a. The true teachers amoro iwa set up na a nation na the leaders, the apostle for GMS. Great Millstone, Elder Tahar, Elder Gabar, Elder Aramlap, Elder Raka, na aladetra Elder Dow. Ano IUIC, ano Nate Satan, ano Bubble Eye Black Eyes, ano General Yahana. You're all false prophets. You're doing the work for money and the Lord is going to destroy you. All of you sellouts, man. Si, ala de false propheto, po anisyo po Israel, amoro yung kira ala de mat. Si,
Boy, Jeremiah 4, Jeremiah chapter 3 and 15. And I will give you pastors according to my heart,
according to his heart, according to his will, go ahead,
which shall feed you
which shall feed you, and the elders the mag puda unu boom up nang atru disi. Si,
go ahead, which shall feed you with knowledge.
with what?
With knowledge.
With food,
With knowledge.
with Popeyes,
With knowledge.
with KFC,
With knowledge.
with ice cream,
With knowledge.
with knowledge
And understanding.
and understanding. You see, daarom make you about wisdom. Amaro you set up the man, who the man teach unu, who the unu nanga wisdom, wisdom nanga kenos. You see,
Jump back to the book of Psalms 149 and 1. Praise ye the Lord Yahweh, sing unto the Lord Yahweh a new song, and his praise in the congregation of saints.
and the congregation of saints, and saints that batikan Santa, and Santa batikan Halok, and a nation for Israel na a Halok folok for him. Mainasi this ano here Israel Halok. You see, nasuso a elect holy, na unuwang they separated from the world. You see,
Alright. Verse 2. Let Israel rejoice in him that made him. Let the children of Zion be joyful in their king. Let them praise his name in the dance.
you see, and ala de tra Israelita grupo, the man teach, the man praise and name Yahweh, wa Yahweh shine. The man praise Christ, Jehovah, Allah, Buddha, Ahaya, Yeshaya. Bullshit. We don't praise the name Jesus Christ. We praise Yahweh Bashem Yahushai. We don't praise Jehovah. We praise Yahweh Bashem Yahushai. We don't praise Buddha. We praise Yahweh Bashem Yahushai.
Read. Let them praise his name in the dance. Let them sing praises unto him with the tremble and harp. For the Lord Yahweh taketh pleasure in his people.
The Lord Yahweh taketh pleasure in his people that is doing righteousness.
God.
Amane take pleasure in the people sa ito wickedness. And the meester for a nation for Israel, the nengre de buskonder na nga de ingi, de ma do wickedness in ala plezier. Ama ik motone oso go seksu trama vrouw nanga ala plezier. A vrouw ik moto go play overspel gi ema nanga wat drama nanga ala plezier. De nyama agu nanga ala plezier. De karna ane Jesus nanga ala plezier. De wiki tap den bedi dene begi nanga ala plezier. Masama ro iwataki?
Let them praise his name in the dance, and let them sing praises unto him with the tremble and heart. For the Lord Yahweh taketh pleasure in his people.
In his people, God,
He will beautify the meek with salvation.
with salvation, and we are the meek. Meek, that what you are low. They low. The Israelites are very low. All the other nations, they are on high. So-called Chinese, so-called white men, so-called East Indians, the Arabs, the so-called Africans, they are on high, we are on low. And the Most High is gonna beautify his meek with salvation.
Right.
See? Go ahead.
Verse 5. Let the saints be joyful in glory. Let them sing aloud upon their beds.
Upon their beds, can?
Let the high praises of the Most High be in their mouth, and a two-edged sword in their hand.
You see, that's the Amorohiwa o safe uno. To the ina kingdom. Tak? Uno the ina kingdom po wo ay. What the ina kingdom nanga wat to say the sword.
God.
What the kings and priests and princesses. Ina kingdom up no a bitch. Up no a umas masay kadrakes reflect wa padekare. Ina kingdom you a princess. See?
Read. Salakia. Psalms 149 and 6. Let the high praises of the Most High be in their mouth, and a two-edged sword in their hand.
See? And a two-edged sword, like pa apoto this about two-edged sword. See? Go ahead.
Verse 7. To execute vengeance.
To execute vengeance. See? To execute vengeance. Fupura wurak and to judge. Tak nanga wurak.
Upon the heathen.
Upon the heathen. Go ahead.
And punishments upon the people.
And punishment upon the people. That represents that the transition of go in slavery. All you other nations, you're gonna go into slavery. And the Israelite man, the elect is gonna execute judgment upon the heathen.
Read. Verse 8. To bind their kings with chains.
To bind their kings with chains. Where are their kings? Give the kings. To bind their kings with chains. So can the Rothschild, Rockefeller, Oppenheimer. See, to bind the man is not the kings of the earth. The man is about money. The man is not $1,000. The man is not $1 million. The man is not billion. The man is $1 trillion. Is up some $1 trillion ito boy. Huh? The man is about what that sabi pay ko ng $1 trillion. Si the man start kas furang go to. Tara double ka video to. Peso su staff go to. Here camera su go to. You see, suma abeng na de mai si abeng. Ma de na abeng tag do make ko break feng. What the amorohi wang gide ma fe power to. Te de mo sakat mo to heaven konto. Ala de sandat de ma okoremo teki. And what tie the man is put in Ketty, and the man is that the air stone so go slaver name.
First fruits.
The first fruits. Read.
Psalms 149 and 8. Salakia and 8. Bind their kings with chains.
Tani may pintak ay slaver name ano di na kingdom of slaver name de ma au de moy restock. Di de ma potuneng rin nga de ingi slaver name na moy restock no? Oh, inobe mo dabe.
Read. Verse 8. To bind their kings with chains, and their nobles with feathers of iron.
You see, and the nobles are the elite one. What tie de nga Ketty. You see, read.
Verse 9. To execute upon them.
To execute upon them, alam mo sa na execute. You see, di pa utabe kir de 50 man na executor, that executor. Isabi to, pod dem ako, dry dem afesina awol. executeur mismaak je af. Is dat hoor?
to execute upon them
Upon them, the devil is not the tradition.
read to execute upon them the judgment written
The judgment written in the Bible.
dishonor have all his saints.
A RTC, dat is zo de saints voor Amoroiwa abef 2. Dus dat is zo de Israëlieten of in a power voor kan judge. Is dat wat execute judgment dat de heathen. Is dat wat ook? Zie, go ahead.
Dishonor have all his saints. Praise ye Yahweh
Precies. Ja, hoe baas je nou zeggen? Go ahead.
Revelation chapter 18.
En ik van betak daar net van de mij tak ijslaper op de bepaalde de aslaper no heb je zo uit de gewoon. Is dat toch? Sa de man doen nga unuto isa ko heftig kabede. Si isa ko heftig kabede. Mamoro iwan takto.
300.
The nation sa doen nga uno de wetman. Amoro iwan takto wak isa po taurai su op na double a penso be viri islaper neto. Na double de ma ofire. Read.
Revelation chapter 18, verse 5. For saints have reached unto heaven,
Si amoro iwan tak asonduk den wetman sa potu islaper neto. Afuro tabi na ay doro himal. Read.
God, and the Most High had remembered her iniquity.
You see, en amoro hiwang denki sab de iniquity de sa dema itu. Isa me wicked sa dema itu. The man is best set up like a wicked. The man is no man din amoro hiwang. The man sab amoro hiwang ma de may go against amoro hiwang. Isa bito, de man is suerta pa Bible de may tro president in America. Ma de man e uroko falcos de weta pa amoro hiwang. A Bible is sorry tak tumano makte. Maar de man wel, die arrechten naar Amerika tak imak bull vrij. Imak lesbian vrij. If you know a man, ik had er umas ma vrij. Ala de sana na against our to famoro hiwa. See, read.
Verse 6 says, reward her even as she rewarded you.
See, amoro hiwa, ijasa itang nga di Israeli totat. Payang baka, dog, asem madalig pa abe pa you. Met andro de nga de wickedness sa de wetman nga de tradition. Doon nga atin nga de buskonder nga de ingi anis of Israel. Pa de underdrukking, pa de skoete sudden voor dola Amerikaan. You see, de may dede de man kis no justice, no gerechtigheid, niks. Is dat en ala de sana na so vloek. Sa amoro hiwa strip overhandig to. Uno, gi de wetman voor de wetman pina uno. Maar ano, omdat de wetman gebruikt de man pina uno, wil zeggen dat de wetman no bij de wetman baka. Amoro hiwa no bij de wetman baka. You see, en amoro iwa ko break. Let pa amoro iwa ko break the wetman nga de tradition fu onderdruk uno tanga de tide so ook to te amoro iwa o rise up and for Israel a elect ako koso amoro iwa ko break ako koso fu onderdruk de ma baka in slavery. Read.
And double unto her,
Yeah.
double according to her works.
Release up is baka for reward.
And she rewarded her even as she rewarded
Si
you.
payem baka met andro de a wetman. Si pay de ma baka to lek fa de ma payu sa de ma tuna ngayu. And what?
And double,
And double unto her. Read.
and double unto her, double according to her works.
You see, de wuro ko sa adda sa de man dunang ano de pina, de slaughter, de slakti. De verkracht de sa de man dunang ano. Sabato, apay masa o pay de makamoro yung atak o de double. Dat wil zeggen dat de man potu 500 jaar lang in slavernij. Daarom make a double this en represent 2 mal 500 jaar et tusu yari ay ko. Zie, en at tusu yari dat o de walang tusu yari kade wadi o apay na barki euro. Epsay. What up power, amoro yo good power. What up spiritual power. De ma pina uno in slavernij, maar de man be up spiritual power. Daarom make wat pot de ma in slavernij met spiritual power. Ima kira ma kung de kamali bibaka. What the like gods on earth. See? Read.
And in the cup which she had filled to her double.
See, a cup sa afuro like pame sorry a good cup. Nanga the wickedness thing. Donc, double outring ay ta cup ta. Double outring for the Samson nga so adu nga de trawa. Ani so po Israel. See?
Zephyr,
Kan?
how much she had glorified herself
How much she had glorified herself Amerika nga glorify ang refi. Fan na de mana inox to kondre na nga ekto powerful militaire. Isa pa de mga walo fighter jet no man no bring them down. De may glorify, de mo for piggy. Yes, a president sas do Donald Trump a stupid ass motherfucker. Shit, maulo ba mang omdat amang e fulfill the prophecy. Is it? Ama e meka kingdom fu unu komoro cross bay. Omdat na moro iwa e rula mang. Nanga ala de tra president. Fu fulfill prophecy. Read.
Kan, how much he had glorified himself and lived deliciously.
And live deliciously. Kalau ko des mana Amerika pa dili bi. Trawanda Starbucks, trawanda Beverly Hills se pai walo Diamond. Isi ano de chip lolo si rada ja so weri chefe. De mana boom biggest steak de ma enyang deliciously. Dirwagi. Si party club, strip club, ala mai libi deliciously as should libi. Isi Fagot club, ala sana deliciously de libi. Read.
So much torment and sorrow give her.
So much torment and sorrow give her. Met andere woorden, gi Amerika na nga de sukan of the witmang, bufur sari na nga ping. And ata adeledja, and nunu Amerika de may bigay fearing. But aron make sa de ma edu, the top leader, de may buy underground bunker, omdat de masaba nuclear destruction sa ekong. Si, and de man na tingtak de mo ba underground to? Tadi mana ugo isla farne. Dena de ersto sa elek o botek ki underground. Asgrife o tutagwis de ko kibri in polo. Dime. Read.
For she said,
Ina sila bom bigit deep bunker sa de may bow.
Facebook, pa YouTube.
Im look up YouTube, script underground bunker. Daya si tene magwa under si meter to. Nalek tidi wa uswa palace. Suempat alasante. Mana underground de mandi. 50 for dipeng. Alek po 50 for dipeng so de may bom dipi de may pergo underground. Yore ba.
for she said,
do hell.
for she said in her heart, I said, a queen.
Isi American tak ay tak ine may tay tak ine srip tak amay sdole kwa queen. Taro meg declare the whore of Babylon. Isi na demanat na award.
Kan?
Isi
And
What?
am no widow,
and am no widow, go ahead,
and shall see no sorrow.
and shall see no sorrow. And andro da American feta fade da be noit no mano man pomeng. Noit ano go down. Ano sino a pain le fal ala de kondre de may pom de kondre walo sari de ma abi herstel kompo baka America wande anto. Ma amoro hiwa sir rise of American sosof kan sore power dalek te ausene boy bon sa we kadisas entune na ya haushai. America be set up to destroy.
Kan,
That the people never stand. O may mga free go Holland, America na nga de Rommel kondre ang peki wetmang. Isabi to, dek fa de umasma da France ang peki wetmang. Isabi to, de umasma na France na nga lokasyon na dat na de roko. De faki na de roko. Mekip china dat na de roko. Wat de fen money. Trust no saptak amoni sa de wetmang e gideng na criminals. Na leg tagu a wetmang e sideng. Tak luko de bus kondre de doy mekip chilek alata. Wache kisa lokasyon. If ya fi 50 abdir dusu euro. Sina so fluk tape. Tiwan wasan yabi flongo na wetmang. Isi magiteng de fear falak. Ma e de bere na 50 e de boss moto e de mindri futu. Read.
you say, therefore shall the plagues come in one day.
Daarom make de plagen voor in. A derde wereldoorlog oko in what?
In one day,
In one day.
death and mourning,
Go they take into hell.
death and mourning and famine, and she shall be utterly burned with fire.
Shall be utterly burned with fire. There's no sorrow in America. See it.
And for strong is the Lord,
Strong is the Lord
who judges us.
sa judge in. See? Moro yung mga judge America. Ano natin?
Di ka natin, tag.
Padulo kami.
IT.
See, go ahead.
Amos chapter 9 verse 2.
This na din besori tak de wet mange po walo pengkor kwa underground met andro do safe. Isabi to, madaw abeng clap mes. Go ahead.
Amos chapter 9 was started verse 1. And I saw the Lord standing upon the altar, and he said, smite the lintel of the door, that the post may shake, and cut them in the head, all of them, and I will slay the last of them with the sword. He that fleeth of them shall not flee away, and he that escapeth of them shall not be delivered. Though they dig into hell,
Though they dig into hell,
then shall mine hand take them up.
amoro iwan tak tinapi ano mo. You see, maano letter lang kamoro hiwang ano, amoro hiwang ko break the Israelites. You see, then they rebus ko nga ni ingis ako save. See, I'll give them power, I'll give them spiritual power, and I'll send them to take them. What you spiritual power to? Yo masi alasan. E for my kibri bakabo na kuya si dwars dorapong. Alasan yesi. You see, yo si de makuda orders na dapide na vroom e come here. Plek ketina iniki.
So, die make a film over Superman, toch?
Ja toch? Ja toch Superman, alasan na ita Bible de mapuring. Ala de film like X-Men, Superman, Batman, Cargo Hulk, Spider-Man, Iron Man, ala de spiritual film, spiritual power film na inspirasi pa Bible de wet mateki. Na de may make body tap uno, na uno editang na fantasy. Mamoro iwa o make fantasy for reality. Yan. Lord Jolo yung makatil ay pwede mga sa spiritual power. See? Dito na mo doon.